Radians and degrees. A radian is just a unit of angular measure based upon the radius of a circle. And so in a full circle, we have 360 degrees. And we have a circumference of a circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. So therefore, we have 2 pi radian. So we just put rad for radians is equal to 360. So 1 radian is equal to, when we divide on both sides to the 2 pi, we get rid of it on the left hand. So a radian is equal to 360 divided by 2 pi, which is equivalent to 57.3 degrees. So in order for us to convert between radians to degrees, there's a few things to do. So we can multiply by, from radians to degrees, we multiply by 180, and then we divide it by pi. Because if you look at this, 360 divided by 2 pi, if we were to reduce this, it would become 180 over pi. Now, to go from degrees to radians, we're going to need to multiply it by pi and divide it by 180. So we just flip this here to go from degrees to radians. Now, let's go over some examples. Now, example 1, convert 64 degrees to radians. Example 1, convert 64 degrees to radians. So we have 64 degrees, and we need to go ahead and multiply it by pi, and we're going to divide it by 180. So we could just use it like this. So when we go ahead and get our calculators out, so we go 64 times, here's our pi button, or you can type in 3.14, and that is equal to 201.06. Then we're going to go ahead and divide it by 180, and we get 1.12. And then now this is in radians. Now let's look at another example. Convert 1.4781 radians to degrees. So to go from radians to degrees, we're going to need to multiply by 180 over pi. So let's get our calculators out. We go 1.4781 times 180, and then we need to go ahead and divide it by pi, and we get 84.69. And this is in degrees now.